What's up, Fig Fam? It's a big day here for the fig tree. It's the end of the season, and if you look underneath here, there's a lot of dead branches that aren't producing leaves. And tree trimmers are gonna come in here and give this a nice little haircut. And so the next growing season, it's gonna come back bigger and better than ever. And hopefully produce even more fruit. So there you have it. The tree is trimmed and now it's all fit and ready for the 2026 growing season. Until next time, smash that like button, tell a friend. Happy figging.